Good morning students, welcome again to our next class. I, Shweta Somra, am your English teacher and today we will start with the part 2 of chapter 1, class 7th English. Okay, in our previous class we discussed about the 3 questions which were in a king's mind and he wanted to seek the answers to the 3 questions because he thought once he'll come to know the answers to the 3 questions, he will be the most successful king in the world and he will never fail in his life. So he tried to find answers to the 3 questions. He sent messengers throughout his kingdom. He asked for the advice of so many wise men, but he did not get any of the satisfactory answer. So finally he himself decided to go and meet a hermit and ask the answers to the questions. So at last what happened? There was somebody coming running to the hut of the hermit. Okay, this was the end of part 1 and now we will discuss chapter 1 part 2. So today we will read what happened when the man came running to the hut of the hermit. First we will see the word meanings. Fainted. Fainted means behosh ho jana. Okay, you faint means you lose your consciousness. Lost consciousness. ठीक है. Second is wound. Wound beta घाव. Okay, when you are fighting with someone or when you get off the cycle, you are riding a bicycle and you just met an accident, that you get a wound, an injury to part of your body specially. Okay, अपने शरीर के ऊपर कोई भी घाव, that is called wound. Now you can see in this picture the king and the hermit, they both are sitting and a man is lying on the ground and he is wounded. He is having some wound on his chest. So you can see king is cleaning his wound. अचानक से ऐसा क्या हुआ? Okay, both the king and the hermit were talking to each other and all of a sudden what happened, that the man came running and he was wounded as well. Okay, so we will start with the second part of the chapter. The king turned round and saw a bearded man running towards them. Bearded man means beta दाढ़ी वाला इंसान. Okay, having a long beard. His hands were pressed against his stomach from which blood was flowing. Now the man who came running was holding his stomach tightly and he was bleeding as well. उसको खून भी बह रहा था और उसने जोर से अपने जख्म को पकड़ रखा था. When he reached the king, he fainted. और जैसे ही वो किंग के पास पहुंचा वो बेहोश हो गया and fell to the ground and finally he fell on the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound. Now what did the king see? The king saw that there is a large wound on his chest. बहुत बड़ा सा घाव था उसके शरीर के ऊपर. Wound. Wound means घाव. Okay. Then in his stomach. Okay. उसके पेट के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा घाव था. Redressed. Now dressing, you know, wearing clothes. Now redressed means to dress again. Dressed again. Okay, redressed means dressed again. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. Now what did the king do? He first cleaned the wound with the help of water and a clean cotton cloth and he tied it with his handkerchief. अपनी रुमाल से उसको पोंछा, साफ किया. But the blood would not stop flowing. But still, he was bleeding so much that it was not stopping. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. Now, what did the king do? He redressed the wound. उसने वापस से पट्टी लगाई और वो लगाता ही रहा जब तक उसकी bleeding stop नहीं होगी. Until he stopped bleeding, the king continuously redressed his wound. समझ में आया सबको? I know everyone is getting the chapter. What happened next? Let's see. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. Now, which man they are talking about? They are talking about the bearded man who came running with a wound. Okay? चोट लगा हुआ जो इंसान भाग के आया था वो बोला I am feeling better and now please get me something to drink. मुझे कुछ पीने के लिए ला के दीजिए. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. Now what did the king do? He brought some fresh water and he gave or offered the water to the person, to the injured person. By this time the sun had set and the air was cool. Now by this time the sun has set means it was evening. Okay, सूर्यास्त हो चुका था and the air was cool. और जो दोपहर की गर्मी थी वो भी कम हो गई थी and the air was cool. Temperature came down. थोड़ी ठंडक हो गई थी एटमॉस्फेयर में. The king with the hermit's help carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. Now, what did the king do? He took help of the hermit. साधु महात्मा की मदद से he took the wounded man inside the hut. He could not hold him on his own. अकेले वो नहीं कर सकते थे, इसलिए hermit की हेल्प से राजा ने wounded man को हट के अंदर ले जाने के लिए मदद मांगी. The man closed his eyes and lay quiet. Now what did the wounded man do? He just kept his eyes closed and he kept quietly lying down. वो सिर्फ चुपचाप आंख बंद करके लेटा ही रहा और कुछ नहीं. The king, tired by his walk and the work he had done, lay down on the floor and slept through the night. Now the king was very tired because you all know that he came all through the jungle to meet the hermit and then he asked him for the questions. Then he started digging the ground for the hermit. Okay, and finally he was very much tired. Then he cleaned the wounds of the wounded person also. So a king is not doing so many kinds of work, so he was very tired that day. And what did he do? He just slept down on the floor only. वो फर्श पे ही सो गया. Wounded man तो ऊपर सो रहा था and the king slept on the floor. वो फर्श पर ही सो गया. When he awoke, जब वो जागा, awoke means जागा, it was several minutes before he could remember where he was or who the strange bearded man lying on the bed was. Now, कई बार आप लोगों के साथ भी ऐसा होता है ना, once you sleep in the daytime and when you open your eyes, जब आप उठते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि ये मॉर्निंग है, इवनिंग है, नून है, what time of the day is it actually, you don't remember. थोड़ी देर समझ में नहीं आता है ना, ऐसा होता है ना आप लोगों के साथ भी कभी. Same thing happened with the king. उसको ऐसे लगा जैसे ही उसकी आंखें खुली, he thought वो है कहाँ पे और एक कौन सा समय है और ये जो मैन जो मेरे बगल में लेटा हुआ है, जख्मी आदमी, who is he? एक पल के लिए राजा को ऐसा लगा. Okay, so once he got up, for a few minutes he just started thinking what is exactly going on and where is he himself. He is the king, he should be in the palace, but he is lying on the floor and a wounded man is lying beside him as well. So he was just thinking कि ये सब क्या है. He could not find out for a moment. Then the word meaning seized, took by force. ठीक है, हथियाना. Seized means took by force. जबरदस्ती किसी चीज के ऊपर कब्जा कर लेना. All right? Forgive me. मुझे माफ कर दो. Who said these words? Yes, the wounded man. Said the bearded man in a weak voice. Okay, the bearded man said these words to whom? To the king. And he was very weak because he was wounded. तो बहुत ही कमज़ोर सी आवाज़ में उसने सॉरी मांगी किंग से. When he saw that the king was awake. और उसने देखा कि राजा जग गया है, उसके बाद में उसने उसको सॉरी बोला. I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for, said the king. Now the king was surprised. He said, why are you asking sorry? ऐसा क्या हुआ जो तुम मुझसे माफ़ी मांग रहे हो और मैं तुम्हें किस लिए माफ़ करूं? मुझे तो ऐसा कुछ लग रहा ही नहीं. Okay? So the king was very much surprised, amazed. You do not know me. Now the wounded man said, तुम मुझे नहीं जानते. You don't know me. But I know you. This is I beta. Okay, this is I. Alright, but I know you. The man said, the wounded man said, King, you don't know me, but I know you very well. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you. Now he said, मैं तुम्हारा वो दुश्मन हूँ जिसने तुमसे बदला लेने की कसम खाई थी. On you because you put my brother to death and seized my property. Now the wounded man said that, King, you don't know me, but I know you very well. I am one of your enemy because you have put my brother to death. आपने मेरे भाई की हत्या की and seized my property, and also you took over my property, all of my property. So I am your enemy and I swore to take revenge on you. Swore means kasam khai. He took an promise to himself, and revenge means badla. Revenge means beta badla lena. Okay, we take revenge from someone. Okay, हमारे साथ अच्छा नहीं करता कोई, then we take revenge. So this means badla and this means taking a promise on oath. So this was what the wounded man said to the king, कि मैं वो person हूँ, आपका enemy हूँ और आपने मेरे भाई को मौत के घाट उतारा था, and also you have seized my property, you have taken all of my property. Okay, I knew you had gone alone to see that hermit. And now the wounded man said कि मुझे पता था आप कहाँ गए हो, है ना, आप hermit के पास गए हो अकेले. I knew that thing and I made up my mind to kill you on your way home. And the wounded man said that he had made up his mind to kill the king when he was on his way back home. जब वो वापस अपने महल के लिए आ रहे थे तो वो उनको क्या करते, हमला करके मार डालते. But the day passed and you did not return. But the man said, एक दिन हो गया और अभी तक आप आए नहीं. So I left my hiding place and I came upon your bodyguard who recognized me and wounded me. Now you remember one thing, the king came with his bodyguard and his horse from the palace, and but to the king, to the hut of the hermit he came by his own. He did not bring his bodyguard, he did not bring the horse as well. Okay, so now this bodyguard the wounded man is talking about. He said that when you did not come for one complete day, then I left my hiding place. मैंने मेरी वो जगह छोड़ी जहाँ मैं छुपा हुआ था, and I came to attack you, but your bodyguard recognized me. Recognized means बेटा पहचान लेना, ठीक है. Recognize means पहचान लेना. So the bodyguard recognized the man and he attacked him. He had a fight with him. दोनों में लड़ाई हुई and finally the man, the bearded man got a wound. और उसको एक क्या मिला, जख्म. I escaped from him, but I should have died if you had not dressed my wounds. Now the man says to the king कि मैं तो मर ही गया होता अगर आप मेरे wounds को नहीं साफ करके ड्रेसिंग करते, दवाई लगाते. I would have died. What did that man said to the king? That I would have died if you would have not saved my life. Okay, that is the reason he was asking him for a sorry, because the king saved his life and he was trying to kill the king, right? So, I wish to kill you and you have saved my life. Who said this to whom? The bearded man or the wounded man said these lines to the king. He said, I was the one who wanted to kill you, but you saved my life. Okay, so this was a favor of king to the bearded man and he was very happy for that. So today students, we will stop here, we'll end up here and we will discuss later on what happened next. Now he is apologizing for what he did. The wounded man is apologizing to the king for his deed. अपने काम के लिए वो apologize कर रहा है, माफ़ी मांग रहा है king से. Now what will the king do? Will he excuse him? Will he forgive him or not? Come, let's see in our next part. Okay, so until then, take care. Have a good day, beta.